Okay, today we're going to do Module 4, Lesson 13, and our objective is I can relate math drawings to a written method. So let's take a look at our first problem. Here we have 31 minus 18. Remember, when we are subtracting, we draw our magnifying glass around the top number. This is the number that we will draw and we subtract from. So I'm going to draw 31 in my chart. 31 has 3 tens and 1 1. Now I'm going to subtract 18. Well, remember, we always start with our ones column, so I need to start by subtracting 8 from the ones. If I look over at my ones column, I don't have 8 to subtract from. So what I need to do is I need to go over to the tens. I need to take one of the tens, move it into my ones column. Remember, 1 10 is 10 ones, so I'm going to draw 10 ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On paper, it looks like going over to my tens, crossing it out, I now have 2 tens left, and I now have 10 ones plus the 1 1 that was there, which equals 11. Now I can do my subtraction. So I'm taking away 8 ones. So I'm going to cross out 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I take 8 ones away from the 11 ones, I now have 3 ones left. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now I move into my tens column. So here I need to subtract 1 10 from the 2 tens that are left. So go over to my chart, cross out one of the tens. I have 1 left. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 13. Let's take a look at another problem. Here I have 56 minus 29. Again, because I'm subtracting, I'm going to focus on just the top number. This is the number that I am drawing. This is the number I am subtracting from. So 56 has 5 tens and 6 ones. Now I start with my subtraction. I always start with my ones column. So 29 has 9 ones. But I only have 6 ones. So I need to take one of my tens, bring it over into my ones column, and I draw my 10 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here, I cross out the 5, because now I only have 4 tens, and I'm giving 10 ones to my 6 ones, so 10 plus 6 is 16 ones, and now I can do my subtraction. So I'm going to take 9 ones away, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones left. 16 minus 9 is 7. Now I subtract from my tens. So here I have 4 tens, and I'm taking away 2 tens. So I cross out 2 tens, and I have 2 tens left. 4 minus 2 is 2. We'll do one more problem together. Here I have 72 minus 36. Because we are subtracting, we are only focusing on this top number. This is the number we will draw. So 72 has 7 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 ones. 1, 2. Remember, I start with my ones column. 36 has 6 ones. Well, I only have 2 ones, so I'm going to go over to the tens. I'm going to take one of the tens and bring it over into my ones. So I need to draw 10 ones for this 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What it looks like over here, cross out the tens. Now I have 6 tens left. I've given 10 to my 2 ones, so 10 and 2 is 12 ones together. And now I can do my subtraction. So I'm going to do 12 minus 6, so I cross out 6 from my ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, That leaves me with 6 ones left, so 12 minus 6 is 6. Now move on to my tens. I have 6 tens minus 3, so I'm going to cross out 3, which leaves me with 3 tens left. 6 minus 3 is 3, so my answer is 36. You are going to try this problem on your own. 85 minus 48. Remember, you're going to focus on this top number. Draw your magnifying glass around the top number, draw that number, and then show me how you would subtract 48. When you're done with this, you're done with the notes for today.